In the month of June, I received dividend payments from 5 different companies, including a stock which I actually sold in the beginning of this month. In this video, we're going through each of these payments and total them all up at the end, so you can exactly see how much dividends I made in the month of July. In the end, we're also going to take a look at the total dividends I received in 2022. Without further ado, let's get into my portfolio. Before we get into this month's payments, so far year to date my total dividend income is $140.62, which is around $19 every single month on average. This is more than the total from 2021, which is exciting to see. As you start investing, you get more and more dividends. As you reinvest those dividends, the snowball is getting to roll, and I would like to see like $200 for this year, which is probable. We'll get there. Okay, let's get into the dividend payments. The first payment is from a company I don't actually have in my portfolio anymore, which is UGI Corporation, ticker symbol UGI. They have, in my opinion, too much debt, and I don't really like their growth rate, and I don't think the utility sector is a sector I would go for in today's market. I had 4 shares of UGI, which paid me $1.44. UGI has a dividend yield of 3.5%, a payout ratio of 52%, which is a little on the high side. They have a 5-year CAGR of 7.7%, and they have been consecutively growing their dividend for 19 years. Next up, we have Genuine Parts Corporation, ticker symbol GPC. They have a dividend yield of 2.5%, a payout ratio of 46%, 5-year CAGR of 5%, and they've been consecutively growing their dividend for 65 years. I have 2 shares of GPC, which paid me in total of $1.80, brings the total for this month to $3.24. The next dividend payment is from Eastman Chemical Company, ticker symbol EMN. They have a dividend yield of 3.3% and a payout ratio of 33%. EMN has been growing their dividend for the last 12 years with a 5-year CAGR of 8.3%. I also have 2 shares of EMN, which paid a total of $1.52. This brings the total of this month to $4.76. The biggest payment I received this month is from Best Buy, ticker symbol BBY. They have a dividend yield of 4.6%, which is a little on the high side. They've been dropping this year, which brought the dividend yield up even more. And they also have a 5-year dividend growth rate of 20.5%, which is insane. They've been growing their dividend for 8 years, and they have a payout ratio of 34%. I have 12 shares of BBY, which paid me a total of $10.56. This brings the total of this month to $15.32. The last dividend payment I received from this month is from Allstate, ticker symbol ALL. They have a dividend yield of almost 3%. They have a payout ratio of 33%. They're paying 1/3 of their cash for a dividend. They have a 5-year growth rate of almost 19%, and they've been consecutively growing for their grid dividend for 12 years. 4 shares of Allstate paid me $3.40, which brings the total dividends I received in July 2022 to $18.72. Last year I received $6.15 in dividend income, which is a year-over-year gain of 204%, which is insane. The dividend payments from this month brings this year's total to $134.55. Next month I will be receiving dividend payments from 4 different companies, including APD, AppFi, Apple, and one of my favorite dividend growth stocks, Lowe's, ticker symbol LOW. Before we wrap it up, there's actually one stock in my portfolio with a dividend increase, which is a huge 0.5% from Walgreens Boots Alliance, ticker symbol WBA, which brings the forward yield to 5.2%. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my latest video where I show an update of my $9,600 dividend growth portfolio. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.